This is a Mustang that we currently have in the shop that was getting new caster camber plates. Oh, we actually just painted those, make them look like they're in their natural habitat. A Race Tech seat in. I tell you what, the seat is pretty dang snazzy, extremely comfortable. We had to actually, in order for it to fit in the car, let me zoom back here for a second, the bars of the funny card cage actually had to be cut out and modified just for that seat to fit. So it ended up getting a couple extra bars, did some custom seat mounts to get that in there. So it was actually a little bit of a headache, but it is well worth the comfort and the safety with the nice padding here. Safety is always key. Another thing that we did on this one was a rear housing, which is actually at powder coat. So it's MIA at the moment, but it'll be back here. I believe customer is dropping it off tomorrow, which is Easter. So hopefully get this one back on the road. We're just waiting on a set of axles yet. So Strange Engineering has that order, and we look for it to arrive shortly. So once those come in, we'll get it buttoned up. We'll put it on the boxes, get her all scaled up, and get her ready to roll. And hopefully customer can have some fun this race season. So that is one of several that are here. So I'll be back later.